Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Today, I am going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars in commissions with a completely free traffic source. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. The first step is to arm ourselves with the necessary tools, and the first thing I would like you to do right now is go to Google Sites. Simply build a new site, and then I will walk you through the process step by step. This page is completely editable. You have complete control and can make whatever adjustments you desire. In fact, if you don't want to put in any more effort, you can simply copy what I am doing and use this exact template. As a result, I am going to click on this background image and change it because I don't really like it. As you can see, I went to the search box right here and put in Bitcoin, and then I am going to choose a photo that will look good as a background. Let us go on because this one will do the job for me. You can optionally specify the name of your website, although this is not required. You can also provide a logo, although this is entirely optional. Moving forward, I would like to go to canva.com, which is a free tool that we will be using. You'd want to type in crypto, but the catch is that not all of them will be free to use. As you can see, some of them require a pro subscription. So go to the left-hand side over here and select free when it comes to price. There will be a fewer templates now, but that is still good. We are basically going to make do with what we have got. So let's take this one for example, which I think is extremely cool. Now it is time to personalize the text. We are not going to give investment advice. Instead, this will be more of a call to action. And once again, you don't need to conduct any more backtesting or experiment with alternative tactics. You can simply use this same text. The title will be something like Full Directions Guide, and then you can just give the instructions. Here is the first one. Sign up on Binance.com with the link below. Do yourself a favor and get $100 worth of Bitcoin would be the next step. After that, you would like individuals to provide you with a screenshot to prove it. That is all there is to it. Now I am sure it doesn't make much sense right now, but don't worry. Everything will become crystal apparent in a minute. Additionally, you should label that button with a call to action. For example, a phrase like free sign up will suffice. So guys, this template is completely free to download, so let us get started. Moving on, I would like you to return to your Google site and we will figure out how to insert that photo. Simply go to the insert section and choose images. You are almost done when you click the upload button. Again, we have complete control over this, so you can ensure that the image's position is sure. And we're going to make the entire picture clickable. All you have to do now is select it and then click on the insert link icon, which is pretty much where you will paste your link. Simply paste it into the box. Click apply and then you are done. This image is now clickable and users will be led to another page, which is exactly what we want. Of course, you may now make some more changes to improve the appearance of this page. I am sure you guys can perform a better job than me, but the design isn't that important in this case. All we have to do now is make sure it works, which it does. Now, what I want you to do is click on the publish icon right here, which will allow you to publish the page. You may also provide the website address, which is crucial because it will appear as an extension right here. And in our instance, anything like instructions for Bitcoin task will suffice. Don't worry because everything will become clear in a moment. You may just press the publish button and then go to your published site to see it. As you can see, this redirects us to a Google Sites page, and this link appears to be really reliable. This page is totally functional once again, so you may share it with others, and they can click right here to see what happens. You might be asking why they will be redirected to Binance.com. Binance offers one of the best affiliate programs available with 50% commissions. When people sign up for an account using your affiliate link, you will get a cut of every trade they make. Those are commissions that will last a lifetime. To become an affiliate, all you have to do is fill out a form and email an application with your credentials, then take your affiliate link and move on. As a result, when visitors click on this image right here, they will be redirected to Binance.com where they can sign up for a free account. However, as you can see, this is insufficient. The first step is to sign up for Binance using the link below, and the second is to receive $100 in Bitcoin. You will not invest a single dollar, but others will, and you will be paid commissions, so here's how it works. Binance will charge a modest fee whenever a user makes a trade. Trading fees will range from 0.01% to 0.10%, which is extremely small. But here is the thing. In order to conduct a deal, users must first deposit funds on the site, which can be done with a debit card or a wire transfer. If they choose the first choice, which most people would, they will have to pay at least $10, as you can see, which is either 3.5% or $10, whichever is higher. That almost certainly means it's at least $10. Given that you will receive 50% commissions on trading costs, it translates to $5 out of a $10 fee. As a result, for each new user who makes a purchase, you will receive a $5 bonus. As a result, there is only one thing left for us to do at this point. We need to encourage people to join up for Binance. So how do we go about doing that? We need to provide them with some form of motivation, and the easiest way to accomplish so is to pay them for their time. But wait, you don't need to panic. This is an investment worth making because you will still be profitable in the end. So here's what I want you to do. Go to Latium.org, which is a platform for paying people for their time spent online. For example, if you are a freelancer looking for some extra work, you can go to the Find a Project section and look for surveys, for example. These will be in cryptocurrency, and all you have to do is basically perform some simple services or offers. But none of that is going to happen. Instead, I would like you to select Switch to Employer. So instead of working for others, you will hire others to work for you, and you will compensate them for their time. So let's go over everything again. For each new user that you bring to Binance, you will receive $5. They must make a trade in order to be eligible for that commission, which is why we have placed the second step right here. Do yourself a favor and get $100 worth of Bitcoin. So moving forward, you will make an offer on Latium.org that says something like, I will pay you $5 for creating an account on Binance.com and following the steps listed in the instructions document, which is now your Google site. The account will remain yours and you can continue investing through it. And here's the deal. Binance.com will refund your $5 while also continuing to pay you lifetime commissions on any trade that a new user makes in the future. And more than likely, they will continue to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the future. So as a result, you are practically obtaining recommendations for nothing because Binance will pay for them, and this is a long-term profitable strategy because they are lifetime commissions. So while you won't make money right away because you'll be paying back those $5, you will make far more in the long term for each new member you attract to Binance. However, if you really want to make money right immediately, you can only pay users $4 and keep $1 for free. However, that is not a large sum of money. It is pointless to be inexpensive in this procedure because you will still make money in the end. You are giving people something in exchange for their time. All customers have to do is create a free Binance account and invest in Bitcoin. They will keep their investment and be able to withdraw their funds at any moment. As a result, you are not pressuring anyone to help you. You are rewarding them with money, and you are not spamming the internet with affiliate links, so this will be a lot more effective means of attracting new users to Binance. But you don't have to stop here. Latium.org is only a tool. You might try a number of other websites that are similar to this one. You will make more money if you can bring in more new people. So that is it for today, everyone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.